Welcome back to my final more important analysis video with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 29th of September. We can look at gold now, and I still think rallies are a chance to sell on gold. This market looks corrective to me, having continued to build these sort of series of lower highs and sort of trading consistently below that sort of long-term pivot band 1300 to 1310. I think that is pretty much fairly well set up for a continued correction. You've got this 21-day moving average is now turning over 315, but I think ultimately anything that finds another lower high, probably beneath 1300 now, or around, or at least the overhead supply that you get from 1287 to 1300, I think that will be considered a selling opportunity. And what we've had today is a little sort of pull back towards 1287 and failing, 1287, 1288 and failing, all seemingly failing around this sort of level. So I think that this is where we're going to see the next lower high between sort of 1288 and 1300. Momentum indicators correctively configured. RSI sort of below 50, MACD lines falling, stochastics still bearishly configured. I think this all sort of points towards little rallies as being seen as a chance to sell. Sorry, that's the yen. And what we have got is the hourly chart, which you're basically back at around the 60 area on the hourly RSI again, and sort of around neutral on the MACD lines hourly. So I think this is probably not a million miles off where we're going to start to see the overhead sort of pressure coming in and forcing new sort of selling pressure, because you see these overhead supply of all these sort of buyers around late last week, early this week, having broken to the downside. You've seen you see a rebound towards that, and you think the psychology being, let's use that as an opportunity to sell. So I think that that's likely to be seen once more. And a selling opportunity between sort of 1288, 12 and 1300, I think would be ideal. But I would still continue to expect 1277 to be retested at some stage, and the sort of support band ultimately as well. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.